gas and my stomach been hurting. Chickens been jerking. These niggas is earthlings. Toddlers are twerking. Business is booming. People is dying. Corona, 5G. That's probably both. My nigga died. I make the bitch that I'm with fuck a ghost. We not gon' help with the digging. I hope that my dog get her pregnant. None of that rhyme, but it came out fine. Like the paint didn't smudge and the baby didn't die. They buying Pampers with money they owe. Kidnap the baby, won't change it no more. Your head in the clouds, my head in them hills, my head in the books. I never ran for the hills. I'm eating rappers, got that boy beard in my beard. I feel like I'm harding out. The nigga in Houston, yeah, the one with the beard and shit. This why I'm weird and lit. Really more weird than lit. Fuck it, I'm weird as it. Ooh, everything nice. Chain watch shit all bright. Just took a on, hit a dyke. She hit me other day and I'm like,
everybody, welcome back to the channel. So, it's what I've been doing. Sorry, I haven't been counting y'all in on this stuff. But everything's all welded back in here. Some videos and such. But I should drop them right now.
Back to hard tap is my halo. Let my sweet angel rag shotgun and chill.
Cool. So this is what we're dealing with. I'm getting ready to make a template for the amp to go up in there. Wires all ran from the front to the back. Had to go under, do some things. Waiting for, I'm probably gonna buy 2 new pumps. Dude screwed me over from pumps and, well, got screwed. So, no longer buying for anybody online anymore. No longer care about that. If I can't buy it from the store, I'm not gonna buy it unless I can get it locally. So, with that being said, hey, here's what it is. But I moved the welder to the shop. So I'm gonna get my template laid out, traced on everything, and we'll cut it and make it happen. So, what I thought. Got it in the vise. Cut it in half. So next I just gotta get the amp on it, size it up. I'm trying to keep the amp from coming in here because the last thing I want is to get material inside of the amp. So I'm gonna take it back in, size it up. I actually make sure it's not too wide for the trunk and trim it as I go. I'm thinking about putting a little bracket on this side too. I'm gonna put one at the bottom, but I'm gonna put one on the side, trying to support it in there as much as possible. Let me get this up out of here and take it in. So here we go. Sorry, I did not record anything. Just trying to get it done before it got dark. There it is. Fire this thing up now. See how well everything goes. Mount the batteries in. See what we're looking like. Hold that thought. Nope, see back again. Sorry, I didn't finish last night. I guess I could have played it out like we still in the same night, but my back started hurting last night, so I've been busy. Here we go. So I got it mounted in, everything's secured, amp is all in there, brackets all made. Just gotta wrap that next. So I'm waiting for the pump still, but man, it's sounding good. Everything is good. Just got these in. So now I gotta secure the sub down. So I keep from sliding and doing whatever. So yeah. How everything's gonna look for now. Look at that thing, that boy. I ain't gonna lie, I'm proud of myself on that one. But yeah, my back started hurting last night. I bet. I'm gonna get old. It sucks. It really does. It really sucks. But we got it. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty much it for this. I got stuck in. The transpan ain't in. It is what it is. I mean, I can always do the other things. Like, so I got the oil change, and then I gotta do the valve lash adjustment. So that at least get it at the 200,000 mile mark, and then pick up the fuel filter and start making things happen. But yeah, the car beats. I had some videos of that. I ain't gonna do it again. I just had it on like not long ago. So I'll let my neighbors take a rest from it. But I dropped the link right about now. But yeah, like, so I'm concluding this video. And we're gonna get back at it. Oh yeah, I forgot. So we got lights working. So if anybody ever have an issue with the Cutlass, the headlights aren't working, there's a fuse beside the starter. So check that before buying all these parts. But like I said, my headlights work, my taillights work. The taillights actually has its own fuse that's under the dash. So the taillights are working, not working, vice versa, then something's wrong. Kind of find out I had a wire, it's a brown wire, the power wire. So it was touching stuff, it was broken, so that pretty much shorted stuff. So I was able to get that working, so yep. But we here, we there, we made it. I'm not driving this car yet. Big reason is not saying it won't drive, but look at this. Oh, how low this thing is. Probably my lowest car. Look at that. The way these roads are around here, oh sweet North Carolina, and it won't be a fun time, put it that way. So yeah, we're not gonna attempt that, because I prefer not to bust up my vehicle. So I'm gonna wait, do things the right way, get the hydraulics, so I'll be able to raise it up in the front and do it like we need to do. But yeah, anyway, like I keep saying, until the next time, peace.